Hello, my name is Sarah Larkin, and I am the statewide math consultant for the Iowa Educational Services for the Blind and Visually Impaired. This video will look at using the indirect method to address the hundreds place as well. Notice that I have the expanded beginner's abacus that has 3 columns instead of 2, so that I can address the hundreds. We'll start out by doing a couple of addition problems. First problem is 364 plus 73, so 3 hundredths, 6 tens, and 4 ones. Now I'm going to add 73. Well, first I look to see if I can add 7 tens, and I can't. I only have 3 to add. So I'm going to go to the next column and add 10 tens, which is 100. But I was only supposed to add 7 tens. So I need to compensate by moving 3 of those away because I added 3 too many. Now I'm supposed to add 3 ones. Go ahead and do that easy enough. 1, 2, 3 ones there are for an answer of 437. All right, clearing that out. Looking at the next problem, 185 plus 639. I'm going to set my 100, my 8 tens, and my 5 ones. Now I want to add 639. Well, adding my 600s is easy enough. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. Now I need to add 3 tens, but I only have 1. So I'm going to add 10 tens, which is 100. But that means I was only supposed to add 3, and I added 10, so I added 7 too many, so I need to take off 7 tens. 1 down, 2 down, 3 down, 4 down, 5 down, 6 down, 7 down. Okay, now I'm going to add my ones. In this case, I want to add 9 ones, but I only have 4 ones to add. So I'm going to add 10. Add 10. But I was only supposed to add 9, so I need to take 1 away for an answer of 824. All right, let's do some subtraction problems where we have to compensate using that indirect method. 783 minus 291. So 3 6 700ths, 80 tens, and 3 ones, or 8 tens and 3 ones. Now I'm going to subtract 291. Well, I can subtract the 200s easy enough. Now I need to subtract 9 tens, but I only have 1 10 there. So instead I'm going to subtract 10 tens or 100. Since I was only supposed to subtract 9 tens, I need to move 1 of those tens back up. Now I need to subtract 1 1. That's easy enough. Subtract 1 1 for an answer of 492. One more subtraction problem, again using the indirect method. 356. 356. Now I'm going to subtract 187. Well, subtracting the 100 is easy enough. I need to subtract 8 tens, but I only have 5. So I'm going to subtract 10 tens or 100. But I was only supposed to subtract 8 tens, so I need to add 2 more on. Now for ones, I'm supposed to subtract 7 ones, but I only have 6 to subtract. So instead I'm going to subtract 10, but that means I subtracted 3 too many. So I'm going to go ahead and move 3 back in on the ones. That gives me an answer of 169. 356 minus 187 is 169.